The Senate has upped the ante, issuing an arrest order against embattled Bamban Mayor Alice Guo, who for several hearings now has been snubbing the upper chamber probe on illegal pogos. With this development, even the legal counsel of the suspended local chief executive advised his client to face the music and appear before the Senate. Daniel Manalastas tells us more.
As the Senate released its arrest order against embattled suspended Mayor Alice Guo, Senate President Francis Escudero made this assurance.
Ginagarantiyan ng Senado sino mga dadakpin para i-detain sa Senado ang seguridad nino man, kabilang na siya. Na-identify na namin ni General Angkan yung pagdedetainan, hindi lamang sa kanya, ulitin ko, sa iba pang inisyo ng warrant of arrest ng Senado.
For Senate President Pro Tempore Jinggoy Estrada, all government agencies bestowed with police powers should work together to find Guo. Senator Risa Hontiveros meanwhile hit back at Guo after the latter's Facebook post.
Kung nakakapag-Facebook ka, siguro naman kaya mo nang humarap sa Senado. Ginamit mo pa ang Facebook para sa pagpapakalat ng fake news na Pilipino kayo. Hindi ka Pilipino. Ang titibay na ng ebidensya.
According to Guo's camp, the embattled mayor is still here in the country, but her lawyer Stephen David advised her to appear in the Senate.
Nagpi-50-50 siya. Una, ang advice ko sa kanya, mag-appear ka, i-honor natin yung legal process kasi nga, hindi naman tayo pwede magtago habang buhay. Sayang naman yung buhay natin na masasayang sa pagtatago, magiging fugitive ka. Hanggang kailan yun, di ba? Hanggang kailan ka magiging kailan. Sayang, di ba? Samantala kung mag-a-appear ka, ang kailangan, di naman yun para parusahan siya kasi may presumption of innocence.
Meanwhile, another cat was let out of the bag by Hontiveros pertaining Michael Yang's alleged brother. It is public knowledge Yang was a former economic advisor to the former president.
Ang kumpanya ni Alice Guo, ang Baofu, ay may direktang transaksyon sa joint account ng 2 tao. Ang isa si Yu Zhengkan, na incorporator ng Hongsheng, ang pogo na ni-raid sa Bamban Tarlac. Ang kasama niya sa account ay isang nagngangalang Hong Jiangyang. Who is Hong Jiangyang, you may ask? Kapatid po siya ni Michael Yang. Yes, the same Michael Yang na dating economic presidential advisor kuno ni Duterte. Sabi ko nga, mukhang one big happy family pala itong mga Pogo at family members. Baka nga itong family pala ang farm na kinalakihan ni Alice Guo.
Michael Yang's lawyer meanwhile isn't sure if Michael Yang really has a sibling. Meanwhile, former President Rodrigo Duterte's former spokesman Salvador Panelo said there is absolutely no factual and legal basis to link the former president to any corrupt practice. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.